Good morning, students. Welcome back to maths class. Hope you all are fine. Students, today I am going to start the revision of chapter number 6. So, let's start with question number 1. My first question is write in expanded form. This is my first question. Expanded form. And question like this: 473 decimal 295. Fine. Students who want to reply this question, raise your hands. Yes, Samriti.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Samriti. Tell me, beta, how can we write this in expanded form?
Ma'am, 473
So this is 400, then
plus 70
plus 70
plus 3.
plus 3. And what about this?
Ma'am, 2 tens.
2, you want?
Ma'am, 2 by 10.
Yes, plus 2 by 10 plus
9 2 by 100.
9 by
by
100.
5 by 1000.
Very good. Plus 5 by 1000. Well done. So this
Thank
is first decimal place. First decimal place means 10. This is second decimal place. Look, this is decimal now. 1 2. So this is second decimal place means 2 zeros. This is third decimal place. After decimal, this is 1 2 3. So third decimal place means we will apply 3 zeros in the denominator. Okay? Very good, Samriti. My next
you,
question is
ma'am.
question number 2. 4.75 3 5.932. Okay. Tell me, these given decimals are like decimals or unlike decimals? Yes, Mehak?
Ma'am, I want to tell it in like decimal. They
These
are
are
in unlike.
like decimals or unlike decimals?
Ma'am, unlike.
Why these are unlike decimals?
Ma'am, because after decimal, the number should be equal. So they are not equal. So they are unlike.
Numbers नहीं, after decimal
Digits.
places. नंबर नहीं बोलोगे आप क्या बोलोगे? Decimal places.
Digits.
Different decimal places. Here, after decimal, we have two decimal places. Number 1, number 2. Now, Mehak, tell me, how can you write this in terms of decimal?
3.000.
Well done. Now, this is 3.0. Okay? Like we will discuss later, this is 3.0. So, after decimal, we have two decimal places. After decimal, we have one decimal place, or here after decimal we have three decimal places.
3.
1 2 3. So these are unlike decimals. Now how can you change these decimals to like decimals?
Ma'am, we will put 10 after 5, 2 zeros after 3.0.
Here
And
3 is bigger.
Here the number will be that.
Like, look, 3 is bigger. So we will change each and every number equal to 3. हमने bigger के according चलना है. ये 3 bigger है. We will move according to this bigger. Fine. So here we have two decimal places. To make it 3, we will put 1 0. So 750. Look. Next is here we have one decimal place. To make it 3, we will put two more zeros. So 3 decimal 0 0 0. And after that we have, this is already 3. 5.932. So like this, you will make these decimals like decimals. And the
Ma'am
knowledge
means
of
whenever the number is one, only one, and there is no point and no number after it, so we will first put a point, then we will put 10.
yes, because this is 3 now, only 3, there is no decimal here. First of all, we will write it in term of decimal. So whenever you will make modification, always first of all write number, then put decimal and zero. Sometimes students बेटा इसको ऐसे लिख देते हैं, ये 3 है, इसको ऐसे लिख देते हैं. This is wrong. हमने सिर्फ मॉडिफिकेशन करनी है. So whenever you will make modification, always first of all write number. If I am talking about 729 and my question is to write this in terms of decimal, it means we want modification. For modification, first of all you will write this number 729, then put here decimal, write 10. So like this you will modify. और अगर आप इसको ऐसे लिख देते हो 0.729, then this is wrong. क्योंकि हमने इसको मॉडिफाई करना है, इसकी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं करनी है. फाइन, वेरी गुड महक. So the knowledge is compulsory because this concept, the concept of like decimals, is very important for addition and subtraction. Fine. My next question is, question number 3rd. Convert into fraction. Convert into fraction. 10.125. Divya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Divya, tell me how can we write this in terms of fraction?
10.125 by 1000.
Why this 1000? What is the reason?
Ma'am, because after the decimal there are 3 digits.
Beta, I am again repeating, say decimal places. Okay, don't use avoid. Digit word is correct, I know, but try to use decimal places. Fine. So after the decimal we have 3 decimal places. Look, this is decimal 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 decimal places. So that's why we will put here 3 zeros along with 1. Fine. Beta, very good. Next question is not for you, Divya.
Okay, ma'am.
Natansh.
Good morning.
Natansh, tell me, how can we write this in terms of fraction?
Ma'am, 0.005 by
Yes.
1000.
0.005 by
1000.
very good 1000. Now, important thing, on the left hand side, on the left, look, this is 5 on the right hand side and all the zeros on the left hand side. These zeros have no value. These zeros have no value. So you will write 5 by 1000. Fine. बेटा देयर इज लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस. इनको जैसे मैंने इनको कट किया, इनको मत कट कर देना, राइट हैंड साइड वाले जीरोस को. दीज हैव वैल्यू क्योंकि ये 5000 है. दिस इज 5000. So if you will observe zeros on the right hand side, then इनकी वैल्यू है. very much compulsory. But if you will observe zeros on the left hand side, okay, so no value, इनकी कोई value नहीं होती. So you can write this like also 5 by 1000. Fine, very good, Natansh. My next question is, convert into decimal. Convert into decimal. A part 49 divided by 10. Students, kindly raise your hand. Kartik Sehgal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Kartik, tell me, how can you write this in terms of decimal?
I'm 4.9.
So this is 4.9. And what about this? What about this?
Ma'am, 0.49.
0.49. And what about this? What about this?
Ma'am, 0.049.
0.049. Very good. Well done. So students, look, 49 divided by 10. Okay, look, 10. 10 means in the numerator, after writing one digit, you will put your decimal. Fine. And always start writing from the right hand side. Whenever the question is based on division like this, always start writing from the right hand side. Similarly, look here. In B part, we have 2 zeros. 100, 2 zeros. So, in the numerator, after 2 digits, you will put the decimal. So, first of all, you will write 9, then 4, then put here decimal and 0. And C part is very, very important. Students यहाँ पे mistake करते हैं. Okay? Look. Sometimes the students write like this. 0.490. This is wrong. This is wrong. Fine. मैंने क्या बोला है? सबसे पहले जो है उसको लिखो. पहले लिखो. पहले क्या आपके पास? ये 9 है. 9 लिखो. ये 4 है. 4 लिखो. But because of these 3 zeros, we required 3 digits. But हमारे पास तो सिर्फ 2 digits है. तो what about third digit? तो third digit की completion के लिए you will write 0 here. This is very much compulsory. Then you will put your decimal and write here 0. So check the counting. 1, 2, 3. This concept is very important. Now look, one more example. If I am talking about 9 by 1000. Okay, this. So first of all, you will write this 9. But because of these 3 zeros, the requirement is of 3 digits. But हमारे पास तो सिर्फ एक digit है. So you will write zeros here. 1, 2. Now put decimal and 0. Check. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So this concept is very much compulsory in division. Fine. Very good, beta. Now come to the next question. My next question is, 14.02, 56, 93.10. Students, raise your hand. Yes, Kratigya.
Morning, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Kratigya.
good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, first of all, ma'am, we will write the numbers 14.02, then 56.00 and 93.10.
Very good. So this is 14.02, 56.
Yes.
No decimal. So how can you write this in terms of decimal? Like this. Look here. मैंने क्या बोला था? अगर कोई नंबर विदाउट डेसिमल है, to write this in terms of decimal, first of all you will write this number, then decimal 0. Very good, Pratigya. So 56 decimal 00. All the decimals in the same column. इनका कॉलम सेम होना चाहिए. Fine. So this is 93.10. Now add. So Pratigya, what is the result after addition? Yes, well done, students. So this is 2, this is 1, and this is 4 plus
Ma'am,
6,
it's
10.
183.12.
Yes, Pratigya, please repeat.
Ma'am, 183.12.
183 decimal 12.
Yes, ma'am.
12
Ma'am,
or 18 या 16.
Ma'am, 18.
No. How? Add this column. You will get 16, not 18. This is 9. 9. अगर मैं यहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 9 16. And Kratigya, this is not 12. On the right hand side of decimal, you will not use Indian system. You will use decimal system. So this is 163.12. This is not 12. I am repeating one more time. On the right hand side, you will not use the Indian system of numeration. अगर आप इसको 12 बोल रहे हो तो this is the Indian system of numeration. But on the right hand side of decimal, we will apply the decimal system, not the Indian system. So the name of this is 163 decimal 1 2 या 1/10 200. ऐसे बोलो, पर इसको 12 नहीं बोलना. This is not 12. Fine, Pratigya?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now come to the next. My next question is based on addition and 800 kilogram, 450 gram, 50 kilogram, 850 gram, and 1071 kilogram and 870 gram. This is my question. Next is Manya. Manya Vadhera. Beta, unmute yourself. You have raised hand now.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Manya, tell me how can we solve this sum?
Ma'am, first we will write 800.
First we will write
8
800. Yes.
0.450.
0.450. This is your wish. ऐसे लिख लो. 0.450. Now, Manya, what about this kilogram and gram?
मैम 800 के ऊपर kg.
Yes, ऐसे लिख लो. Very good. So here you will write like this. At the top, write kilogram, and here write gram. Yes. Kilogram is 800 and gram is 450. If you are writing kilogram and gram here, then no need to put the decimal here. Fine, Manya?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? If you are writing kilogram and gram, then you will not put decimal here. Decimal nahi put
Okay,
karna.
ma'am.
Fine. Now what about next?
0, 50.
So this is 50 or this vacant position is filled by 0. Very good. Then this is gram. 850 gram. So you will write in this column. So 850 gram. And what about next?
1000.
1000.
071.
This is correct, Manya?
No, ma'am.
This is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we put 0.
We put zeros here. Vacant positions are filled by 0 and here 870. Well done. Very good. Students, your wish, either write kilogram and gram here or along with each number like this. This is your wish. No hard and fast rule. ओके जैसे मान्या ने बोला है अभी ऊपर लिख दो, वो भी 100% करेक्ट है. ओके और अगर आपने ऐसे लिखना है साथ में तो ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. बट इफ यू आर राइटिंग किलोग्राम एंड ग्राम देन यू विल नॉट पुट हियर डेसिमल. नो नीड टू पुट डेसिमल. फाइन. नाउ दिस इज ग्राम. 0.
0.
Yes. What about this?
17. Ma'am, 17.
Yes. Very good. Then what about this?
11.
11.
10.
यहाँ कितना आएगा? 16 plus 6. 16 plus 5.
Ma'am, 21.
Very good. 21. So to carry, this is kilogram. So write
3.
kilogram here. Now this is 3. This is 12. So this is the result. Okay. Very much compulsory to write units. अगर आपने टॉप पे भी यूनिट्स लिखी हैं तो एंड में भूलना मत यहाँ पे लिखना किलोग्राम एंड ग्राम. If the question is based on units, then you have to write units in the result. This is very much compulsory, and in exam show this addition in fair. This is your fair work. In each and every question you have to show addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in fair, as well as you have to write each and every carry. लास्ट टाइम कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने क्या किया था, प्लस कर दिया, यहाँ पे कोई कैरी ही नहीं शो किया. क्या कैरी है, क्या सब्ट्रैक्शन में बोरो किया. वी विल नॉट गिव मार्क्स. आपको तभी मार्क्स मिलेंगे जब हमें यहाँ पे कैरी बोरो सब दिखेगा. So very much compulsory to write carry here. Show units. Fine. Now come to the next question. Well done, beta. My next question is based on subtraction. Subtract 95 decimal 82 from 200. Wait, students, I am going to take your attendance. Wait for 1 minute. Next is Arshpreet Kaur. Arshpreet, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Arshpreet, tell me how can we solve this sum?
And first, big number upper.
Beta, kindly write your response in the chat box. Your voice is not coming. I am waiting. Yes. Write down your response. Samriti, avoid writing answer. In maths, avoid writing answer. Either use the word solution or result. Don't write answer. मैथ्स में आंसर नहीं होते हैं, या तो सोल्यूशन लिखो या रिजल्ट लिखो, दोनों में से एक लिखो. सो अवॉइड राइटिंग आंसर. मैंने कितनी बार बोला है आपको? भव्या,
Ma'am, yes.
tell me how can we solve this sum?
Ma'am, first we write 200.00.
Very good.
Then we write
Yes.
95.82.
Yes. This is without decimal. So first of all, we will write this in terms of decimal like this. 200.00. And after that we have 95. Bhavya, this is 82. Tell me, this is 95.82.
Ma'am, no, 95.82.
Very good. So this is 95.82. And what about this vacant place?
Then we put 0.
We put 0 here. And as the sum is based on subtraction, so very much compulsory to put the symbol of subtraction here. If the sum is based on addition, then you have to put addition symbol. If the sum is based on subtraction, then very much compulsory to put the symbol of subtraction. Now what about this?
Ma'am, first we cut 2.
First we cut 2.
Ma'am, 1.
1, very good.
Ma'am, then 0 we cut 9.
0 we cut 9.
Ma'am, next 0 cut 9.
Yes.
Ma'am, next 0 cut 9.
Yes.
0 cut 10.
वेरी मच. ओके, सो
Ma'am.
स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे भव्या को नॉलेज थी तो उसने डायरेक्ट ही कर लिया इसको 9. फाइन, ये आपकी विश है. अगर किसी को कंफ्यूजन है तो वो ऐसे भी कर सकता है, बिकॉज 0 0 से बोरो नहीं करेगा, बोरो यहाँ से होगा. तो दिस विल चेंज टू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस 0 विल बोरो एंड चेंज टू 10. आगे अब ये बैक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होगी, ठीक है. नाउ दिस विल चेंज टू 10 एंड दिस विल चेंज टू 9. नाउ दिस विल चेंज टू 10 एंड दिस विल चेंज टू 9. अगेन दिस विल चेंज टू 10 और दिस विल चेंज टू 9. और अगर भव्या के जैसे आपको डायरेक्ट आता है तो आप डायरेक्ट 999 भी लिख सकते हो. फाइन, वेरी गुड भव्या. So 10 minus 2 will give you 8.
Ma'am, 8.
9 minus
Ma'am.
8 will give you 1.
1.
Then put here decimal. 9 minus 5 will give you 4.
4.
9 minus 9
9.
will give you 0. And this is 1 minus 0 will give you 1. So in the end, you will not write answer. You will write result
Result.
or solution. This is your wish. So result is 104.18. This is not 18. This is 18. Fine. Very good.
Welcome, ma'am.
Now come to the next. My next question is from the chapter 13. Fine. Pavni, unmute yourself. Exercise 6C we will discuss tomorrow. Fine. Pavni, unmute yourself. Yes, Pavni. Pavni, are you hearing me? Harman, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Harman, my question is,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the name of this figure?
Ma'am, triangle LMN.
The name of this is triangle LMN. Very good. Now, tell me the side which is opposite to angle L. Side opposite to angle L. Tell me, which side is opposite to angle L?
Ma'am, MN.
Very good. So this is angle L. This is the symbol of angle. This is the symbol of angle L. Now check the opposite side. बेटा ये तो L है, तो L की opposite कौन होगा? जो रह गया. कौन रह गया? M रह गया और N रह गया. So MN. Very good. And side is always written with 2 alphabet like this. MN. Now next is, tell me angle opposite to side LN. Harman, tell me.
Ma'am, angle M.
Angle M. Very good. LN. LN. LN तो यूटिलाइज हो गया. L और N दोनों हमने यूज कर लिए. क्या रह गया? M. So angle M. And very much compulsory to put the symbol of this angle. Very good, Harman. Now tell me, what is the name of these points? L, M, N. These are which kind of points, Harman?
Ma'am, non-collinear points.
Very good. These are L, M, and N are non-collinear points. Well done. Very good.
Thank you.
So the name of this is triangle LMN. Very much compulsory to put the symbol of this angle. अगर आप पेपर में डायरेक्ट LMN ऐसे लिखोगे, ये LMN, तो हमें नहीं पता ये क्या है, क्योंकि आपने इसको सिंबल ही नहीं दिया. Very much compulsory to put the symbol of triangle like this. Okay, this is very important step. Triangle LMN. अब अगर ये लिखोगे M, तो M तो पॉइंट हो गया. The question is based on angle, so very much compulsory to put the symbol of angle here. Angle M. तो ये छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स है बेटा जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर आप ये नहीं लिखोगे ना तो पेपर में आपका हाफ मार्क्स कट होता जाएगा. ओके, सो वेन एवर यू आर राइटिंग एनीथिंग और अगर उसके लिए सिंबल है, यू हैव टू मेंशन दैट सिंबल इन एग्जाम, देन यू विल गेट फुल मार्क्स. फाइन. माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, yes, Angel Preet, this is a symbol of triangle. Very good. My next question is for Manmeet Kaur. Beta, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Manmeet, 30
Yes,
degree,
ma'am.
45 degree, and 65 degree. Okay. My question is, three angles are given to you, 30 degree, 45 degree and 65 degree. With these three angles, can we construct a triangle?
Ma'am, first we will solve the sum. Then
First we will
solve the sum.
find the sum. Okay, so this is 30 degree is very much compulsory, plus 45 again degree is very much compulsory, 65 degree. Okay, now tell me,
Ma'am, angle sum property will be used.
and here first of all find, tell me what is the result after the addition.
Ma'am, wait.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Students, solve and write down your result in the chat box. I am waiting. Don't forget to put this symbol of degree. Symbol of degree is very much compulsory if the sum is based on angles.
Ma'am, answer is 130 degree.
130 degree.
Ma'am, yes.
So 65, 45, 30, 140 नहीं आ रहा कि 130 आ रहा है?
Ma'am, 140.
140 डिग्री. और मैंने क्या बोला था, आंसर वर्ड अवॉइड करो. रिजल्ट इज 140 डिग्री. ओके, so which is not equal to 180 degree. So you will write here angle sum property. Angle sum property fails or not hold. Your wish. जो मर्जी लिखो. ओके, चाहे लिखो एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी फेल्स और एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी नॉट होल्ड. सो ट्राइंगल,
will not form.
yes, triangle will not be